Apollo, a talented god with powers in music, prophecy, healing, and the sun. As an adolescent, he encountered a colossal and terrifying serpent named Python. You see, Python was no ordinary serpent. It was a monstrous creature, born from the remnants of chaos, with scales as tough as armor and venom that could lay waste to entire villages. This is the story of Apollo and the Python. The tale begins with Apollo's mother, Leto, who was expecting twins, Apollo and his sister Artemis. However, Hera, the queen of the gods and wife of Zeus, held a grudge against Leto. To prevent her from finding a place to give birth, Hera cursed Leto, forbidding any land to offer her shelter. After much wandering and suffering, Leto finally found refuge on the floating island of Delos. There she gave birth to Apollo and Artemis beneath a towering palm tree. Delos, originally a drifting and barren island, became firmly rooted to the seabed as a result of this divine birth. But one day, while still an adolescent, he encountered a serpent named Python, a monstrous creature born from the remnants of chaos. Apollo was determined to protect his mother and all of humanity from this menacing threat. He embarked on a courageous quest to confront Python. Armed with his radiant silver bow, a gift from Hephaestus, and a quiver of divine arrows, Apollo tracked down Python to the sacred shrine of Gaia, deep within a cavernous chasm. Soon enough, a fierce battle erupted as Apollo and Python clashed. Python hissed and lunged at Apollo with venomous fangs, while Apollo's arrows found their mark, piercing the beast's thick scales. Python's blood flowed like a river, drenching the earth. The cavern echoed with the sounds of their struggle. After a long and grueling battle, Apollo emerged victorious. He had vanquished the monstrous Python, and its lifeless body lay still in the sacred cavern. This triumph was not only a display of Apollo's immense power, but also an act of purification. Python's death released vapors from its corpse that held the power of prophecy and divination. Apollo recognized the significance of this event and established his most famous oracle at the very place where Python met its demise. The Oracle of Delphi became renowned throughout the ancient world as a sacred site where people sought guidance, wisdom, and prophecies from the god Apollo. It was said that the oracle's utterances were the voice of Apollo himself. Apollo's victory over Python solidified his role as a protector and seer. His triumph over the monstrous serpent marked the beginning of his illustrious career as the god of prophecy. The Oracle of Delphi, founded on this sacred ground, became a beacon of knowledge and enlightenment in the ancient world, and Apollo's name would forever be associated with it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video interesting and entertaining. Until next time on the History Realm.